We are now at the Dubai Miracle Garden and we did not get tickets, thinking that we would get tickets here, right here and now.
That's the entry counter.
Where? There?
We need to go buy tickets.
Yeah, we need to buy tickets. And there's such a really long queue at the entrance. Is it open at 12 or what? But oh my gosh, the queue is very long just to enter the park. We are gonna go get tickets first. Thankfully, the ticketing counter is not crowded at all. It's not many people. Just take a look here. You know, this is the ticketing counter. Not many people. So apparently, the price of the ticket for an adult is 100 for visitors, and for residents with Emirates ID is about 60. So just remember to bring your Emirates ID if you want to. If you're living here, you're a resident here, just remember to bring your EID and then just get the discounted prices. I'll just look at the flowers, not flowers, but decorations here. It's very colorful. It's like umbrella, colored umbrella. Wow!
It's a real place covered in flowers.
It's really nice, right? It's just so colorful. You know, in the middle of the desert, and then there's just so many flowers. You really wonder, damn, are you really in a desert or not? You know, this is like, you know, this is like one of the wonders of like what Dubai can do. Your bubble tea. Yeah. Oh, there's like a small village. It's you. It's not me.
See the nose pointy one?
That's Pinocchio.
That's you.
The finger wrong. Do you feel like you're smart? I am a smurf. Come, be a smurf. What does a smurf do?
He's blue. I am blue.
I'm really very impressed by the decorations over here. You can see like there's so many different kinds of flowers. I mean, we do get a remix of the same flowers, but it's so colorful, so full of life. It's just a very nice environment to be in, especially when it's December. It's winter now. It's the weather is kind of comfortable, but now it's kind of hot also because it's in the afternoon. But it's really nice place. Would you recommend this place?
Yes, I would recommend this place for people that like flowers.
Okay.
عليه فيك يا ابن ادم لا تخشى من تلك الرزق لا تخشى من تلك الرزق يا ابن ادم
بنفسك بقى او بنساعدك هو بنجرب منك كمان وبناديلك كمان
Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems.
شوف الصوص
Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright.
We just got the freshly made ice cream for it costs 50 dirhams. It's chocolate based, so you can choose different kinds of chocolate. There's Mars, there's Bounty, there's like Kinder Bueno. But we chose Oreo because we're basic. Yeah, try it and tell me how it is.
Pizza 为主错。
Normal Oreo, yeah. A bit sweet, but as expected, it's sweet.
Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright.
So apparently this is about it. This is just the castle. Just go up the staircase a little bit and just take some pictures.
Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you. Love with you.
Honestly, it's really very sunny here. So if you're coming, please always wear your sunscreen, sunblock, whatever, or wear like a long sleeve coat to protect yourself.
Love with you. Feels so true. Feels so new. Love with you. Love with you. Every moment just me and you.
So we're just right here in the Miracle Garden and we stopped by a Turkish shop and we ordered some baklava, which I ate one piece already. The last time we went to Turkey, I really loved the baklava. It's so good. And this one,
She didn't wait for me.
he went to get coffee, right? So,
Hot chocolate.
okay, fine.
Because I know you can't drink your hot coffee.
Yeah. But, it's still as good. Really decent. And then we got kunafa with ice cream.
Yeah, kunafa with ice cream. Why not, right?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, it's a really hot day, so we really need some ice cream. I thought this was cheese, but apparently not. I ate it. It's just ice cream. Good. Good, huh?
With the kunafa.
With the kunafa?
With the kunafa.
Okay. Okay, how am I supposed to take it with the kunafa?
Delicious.
Very interesting combination of ice cream and kunafa. It's very interesting. Because, ice cream tends to melt in your mouth, but kunafa is so crunchy. So it's like you're eating crunchy ice cream that is hot and cold at the same time. The kunafa is warm, ice cream is cold, so very interesting mix, but very good. Just look at this, like the pastry, the phyllo layers of the baklava. I honestly don't know how baklava is made, but you know, when I see it, I can see how intricate the layers are, and I know how difficult it probably is to make this. Do you know how to make a baklava? Do you know how it's made? I also don't know, but you know, it's like the pastry goes all the way down, and then they soak this in some syrup or something. It's really nice. Baklava and different, like there's so many varieties, right? They use pistachio, they use walnut, they use cashew, so it's really nice, but I think it's also very sweet. Just look at it. This one is quite good. This one is another variety. I believe that it's pistachio, and then it's wrapped in a circular way. So you can see like the phyllo dough, it's circular, like wrapping around. That one was just, the previous one was just layers stacked together, but this one seems like it's wrapped. I'm gonna try it. How tasty. How much was this?
35 dirham.
How much was this?
35 dirham.
So 4 pieces of baklava for 35 and kunafa with ice cream for 35. You go there, dance. Okay, let's go. Let's go see what are the carnival games.
You want me to play for you again?
It's a carnival. See Mario. Wow, this is the kind of place that we really want to go as a kid. And it's so huge. The inflatable is huge. Oh. Wow. So now we're seated somewhere with artificial turf. So it's just fake grass. It's very nice, very comfortable. Yeah, I know. I took the photo for you.
You made me look crazy.
No.
I'm crazy.
Oh, you just look like Genie. It's just a place for people to sit down and just chill, relax, just ride by this supposed castle that we can't even enter and go in and take photos with. It's just like this. But overall, the experience at the Miracle Garden, I think it's been fantastic. The flowers were really amazing. You know that like they put in a lot of effort to maintain the flowers over here, especially when it's so hot. Yeah, totally recommend you to come here at least once, just to see how it's really like and experience it. So I'll see you at the next destination, which is Global Village. We're gonna go there and check the place out. I heard there's like a representation of a lot of countries. So see you.